Hello everyone. Today we are going to review this Bluetooth speaker from Ion. The model is Pathfinder 320. So let's get started. Welcome to our channel Citrus Home and Garden. So I got this speaker from Costco. It was on sale for $99. Normally it costs $150. The reason behind this purchase is it's very portable. You can carry it to any sporting event, party or a picnic, and the sound quality is pretty decent for the value. As you can see, the speaker comes with a decent packaging. It's nice and sturdy. This speaker comes with many features. Of course, this speaker is Bluetooth enabled. You can connect to your phone. You can also use the Ion app to control this speaker from your phone without touching the speaker. The power output of the speaker is 200 watts. It's a rechargeable speaker and one charge goes up to 100 hours. The speaker is also water resistant. It comes with built-in radio. We'll go over all the features one by one, but let's get to the unboxing first. The packaging is nice and simple. The product comes with only two components and one manual, the speaker and a charging cable. And here you go. It's nice and shiny. I really like this color combination, the black and red. It gives that sporty look to this speaker. As I mentioned earlier, the setup is pretty simple. It's the speaker, the connecting cable, a manual, and the instructions to return the product just in case. So let's remove this front panel protecting film. It was a little bit struggle for me, but you can leave it, it's up to you. Let's take a close look at this product. I'm really impressed what you get for $99. The build quality of this product is superior. Here is the 360 view. I really like this matte finish of the product. It feels good, and also when you're carrying, it won't slip through your hand. The metal net over the speaker is really strong. You can see it won't bend easily. Now let's talk about the front panel. These buttons are built with really good quality material, and when you press any button, it won't overlap with the adjacent button. The front panel also has 3.5 mm jack and a USB port to charge your phone. The sound rotation dial is also very smooth and feels good. Now on the top, there is a small compartment, and you can slide the top panel to get access to this compartment. Inside, you have one more USB port and 3.5 mm jack. Now this compartment is not that big, but it's big enough to carry some snack. Now let's go over what we get in-house. The speaker comes with 5 inbuilt speakers, one 8-inch woofer, two 1-inch tweeters, two 3-inch drivers. On the back, you have this handle which you can extend to two different settings. And the operation is also smooth. It has small button. You can pull the handle up or push it down, and that shows the build quality of this speaker. Now, on the back side, you get a charging port where you can plug in the cable. From the utility point of view, interestingly, this speaker has a bottle opener on the side. Conveniently, the product also comes with these two bass wheels. They are very smooth and makes it easy to carry the speaker around. Now your speaker might come with some charge left, but I would suggest to charge it fully before you start using it. Now you can see on the front panel there is a charging symbol. To start the speaker, hold the start button for a couple of seconds.
Power on. Bluetooth pairing.
Now the speaker is in pairing mode. So go to your phone in the Bluetooth menu and search for Pathfinder 320. Once found, click on it and your phone will connect to the speaker.
Bluetooth connected.
Now let's go over these buttons, starting with the light button. It has two settings. The first one is simple color change, and the second one, when you press it again, it will change, and I believe it's on the music. The volume can go from 0 to 30 and it's pretty loud. I will demonstrate that later. Above the light button, there is a bass enhancement button. I used it and I did not find that big of a difference in the bass. On the right side, there are 3 more buttons to control your highs, mids and lows, and I found them useful. It can dramatically change the sound quality. Now you can connect this speaker to another ion speaker. On the left of the light button, there is a switch to connect these two speakers, and the instructions are given here. Next, we will install the app. So go to your app store and search for Ion Sound XP. Once installed, click open, click OK, and then the plus sign. The app will start searching the speakers nearby. Once found, click add and finish the setup. You can rename the speaker name if you want. Next, click on the speaker and you will get this menu. The app is very easy to navigate. You get all the features on this app, so you don't even need to touch the speaker to control it. Everything is available in the app. As you can see, you can control high, mids, lows, also the volume, and you can preset up to 16 radio stations. To set the radio station, you can first enter the frequency and hit play, and then hold on to any preset to save that radio station. You can also hit the skip button in the bottom right corner to move on to the next radio station. It will just find automatically. So once you save all your favorite radio station, you can control them from the front of the speaker as well. Now let's see how the speaker sounds like. You probably won't be able to get the actual feel of the sound but you'll get a general idea how the speaker sound quality is. And that's pretty much it. My first impression about this speaker is this is really good value for money, and I am really impressed with the build quality and overall performance of the speaker. I hope you will find this video helpful, and thanks again for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.